Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we've got the 2020 D case to open up. So big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Now, I cannot wait to get this case open. There's going to be some really cool castings in it. Hopefully we will find this, the Super Treasure Hunt for the 2020 D case, the Porsche 918 Spyder from the Porsche series, car 505. Take a look at it. Beautiful car. I'd really love to find one in this case, but I already have one, so that's pretty lucky. All right, so let's get straight into this case. Okay. Oh, smell the Hot Wheels. Oh, what's this? It's got some writing on the top here. That's a bit weird. Okay, let's start here. What do we have? First three. Got Forward Force from the Trackstar series, car 2 of 5. Two of those. I think we've almost got all of the Trackstars now. The Trackstar series. We've also got a 19 Ford Ranger Raptor. That is the new recolor. Pretty nice. Okay. Ooh, we've got Robo Race Car. Got that 2018 Ford Mustang GT. It's really nice, this one. Take a look at it. Really nice. And we've got that 64 Chevy Impala, which is a carryover. We've got the Porsche 918 Spyder. Just the regular main lines there. Still a really nice car. Let's have a quick look at comparing them together. Notice the Super Treasure Hunt's got a little bit more detail than the regular mainline. And you'll notice got different color interiors. This one is black and this one is silver. Pretty cool. So good to have two of those in this case. And there was a second of that 64 Chevy Impala. All right, let's take a look. The Mazda REPU. Got another Ford Ranger Raptor, and we've got Cruiser Bruiser, which is also a carryover. Oh, look what we've got here. Another 96 Porsche Carrera. I really like this one. Did you see us open that already here in the Hot Wheels Garage? It went really well on the track. Pretty cool car. Now we've got that Aston Martin Vulcan in the factory fresh. Look at it. It was released last year's 2019 models, but here it is for 2020 factory fresh. Nice recolor. Really, really nice. Take a look. And another Ford Ranger Raptor. Right. Got that Alpine A10 Cup. It's a really nice casting, this one. Really cool in that Hot Wheels Race Day series. Got another Forward Force. See, that's 3 in this case. And a popular one for the D case for 2020 is that 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup in the Rod Squad in the Moon Eyes decals there. Take a look. Pretty cool. We've got another Porsche Carrera. Got that Volvo 850 Estate, which is a carryover. And we've got Twin Mill Gen E. This one is getting a little bit tired, if you ask me. You're seeing that one too much? Or am I mistaken? It's in the Hot Wheels Dream Garage series. I haven't seen it yet. I just don't really like Twin Mill Gen E. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, so we've got another Porsche 918 Spyder. That's 3 in this case. Pretty cool. We've got 2 of the 65 Ford Mustang convertibles. We just recently opened those in the Hot Wheels Garage too. It was a pretty cool track car. What do we got here? We've got the Bat Plane. Got Roger Dodger, which is a carryover, and we've got Poison Arrow. Those cards were all a bit bent up because those two planes take up quite a lot of space there in the case. Look at poor Roger Dodger. Bent really bad. Oh, look what we've got. Look what we've got. Look what we've got. And I don't mean the Volvo. The 16 Bugatti Chiron. Everyone has been waiting for this recolor. It is beautiful in black here. Take a look at it. Really nice in that factory fresh series. Beautiful. I cannot wait to open this one. We also have that 67 Jeepster Commando. We've opened that one up, and we also saw the Super Treasure Hunt, so that was pretty cool. All right, we've got the Skull Shaker. Got a BMW K1300R. I'm not a fan of the motorbikes, but this one is pretty cool looking. Not bad. Obviously, this is not going to work on a track though. And we've got another Aston Martin Vulcan. Beautiful. I really like it. All right, bottom of the first layer, and we're going to see that 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. We just opened that, and it flies on the track. And we've got that 2018 Honda Civic Type R from the Honda series. It's actually the first Honda from the Honda series we've got for 2020, so I cannot wait to see the rest. But this one is beautiful. Look at those red chrome rimmed wheels, and lots of detail on the front there with the headlights and the Honda symbol, and the back there as well. Really cool. And we've got that custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. I actually like this one. I mean, this car gets used quite a lot, but this one is not too bad. I like this color. All right, so that's the top layer done. Pull out the cardboard here. What do we have? Haven't seen the treasure hunt yet, which is a little bit of a surprise. And just speak of the treasure hunt, Buns of Steel. Pretty cool. So I'm guessing we're not going to see a super treasure hunt in this case. And there's Radical Racer, which is a carryover. Usually it's really uncommon to see a treasure hunt and a super treasure hunt. And the top there was also Total Disposal. Next three, we've got that Chrysler Pacifica, got another Robo race car, and another Ford Escort RS 1600. Oh, we've got the Diora 3. This time it's in the Hot Wheels Metro series for 2020. That recolor there. Actually, I think this color is better than the first release. We've got a Twin Mill Gen E again, and we've got Surf and Turf in the Toon series. He's a track star, so cannot wait to get this bad boy on the track and see how it performs. Let me know what you think about it. I think actually in this yellow color it looks pretty cool. Okay. Another Chrysler Pacifica, another Cruiser Bruiser, and we've got a 68 Dodge Dart. Second Bugatti Chiron of the pack, which is cool. Really lucky to have two in this case. That means everyone is going to get a chance to find one on the pegs. Also got the Tankinator, and we've got Nerve Hammer. Really bright green on that one. All right, what do we got? Another one that I've been looking forward to. That 92 Ford Mustang from the Art Car series. So bright, that orange color. It's almost as bright as the, where did I put it? I think I've lost it already. That Ford Escort. Very similar orange. Got another Cruiser Bruiser. And we've got Street Stealth. In the Hot Wheels Race Day series, to be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed that we've got a motorbike in that series. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Right, got another 64 Chevy Impala. We've got that 2008 Lancer Evolution. And we've got a 67 Jeepster Commando again. Okay, so we've got a super van. We just opened that one. It's a pretty cool car. Got another 68 Dodge Dart, and we've got Moto Wing from the Rod Squad. This is like a ride-on motorbike, like a four-wheeler motorbike. Just throwing them around there. Take a look. Pretty cool. Got like a wing thing in the side there. Have to open that one up to check it out. All right. We've got another Rockin' Santa sled, that's a carryover. Second Roger Dodger, and we've got another Alpine A110 Cup. I think this is actually very underrated, this casting. Should be a lot more popular because it is very nice. All right, we've got that 2018 Ford Mustang GT again. We've got two of the 68 Chevy Novas in Rod Squad. Take a look, really mean detailing on this one. Looks pretty cool. I think those red rimmed wheels make it look pretty awesome as well. Okay, getting to the bottom, got that Manga Tuna new casting. And we've got Beat All. Big Beetle. And another super van. Oh, bottom of the case, last 3 cars. Speed Driver. She's very dusty in this case. Got that Robo Race Car again, and another Forward Force. Gee, was that 4 Forward Forces in this case? That is quite a lot. All right, let's check out some case highlights. Definitely getting the regular Treasure Hunt Buns of Steel for that 2020 D case is a highlight for this case. Pretty nice. Also getting this brand new recolor of the Aston Martin Vulcan. Very happy with that. Definitely a highlight of the case. I must say also, where is it gone? Let's hunt around. The Porsche 918 Spider. Very nice. Disappointed that it is not the Super Treasure Hunt, but I have a Super, so that's cool. We'll open that soon and compare them. But yeah, definitely a highlight having the Porsche Spider. And I think we all know which is going to be another highlight. That 2016 Bugatti Chiron. Look at it, really nice. Really cool car to get. All right, let me know in the comments below which was your highlight from this case. I think we've seen the Lancer Evolution before, but that's really a popular car. So is the Porsche Carrera. And I've noticed that the Ford Escort here has been really popular, as well as I've heard a lot of talk about the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. So let me know in the comments below which is your favorite car from this 2020 D case. All right, everyone, big thumbs up, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you become part of the Hot Wheels Garage crew. Thanks for watching.